We love trees. They keep the atmosphere healthy. They absorb carbon and create the oxygen we breathe. In fact, trees are made of air. Carbon dioxide in the air enters the leaves through tiny holes. It combines with water when sunlight shines on chlorophyll, the green stuff in leaves. The result is food that the tree can use to grow and oxygen for us. This typical tree will have grown to a height of 25 meters in 40 years. By then, the sawn timber produced will have captured this actual volume of carbon dioxide gas from the atmosphere. Every tree absorbs carbon dioxide and stores it as wood. Using trees is good. This is a hectare of a typical pine plantation. These trees are being grown commercially for timber. Over 40 years, the trees growing here will capture this actual volume of carbon dioxide gas from the atmosphere, transform it into carbon, and store it safely as timber and wood products. Carbon is sequestered by the trees from the moment they start growing. Every few years, some of the trees are thinned out. These thinnings are useful and can be turned into chipboard, pallets, furniture board and renewable energy fuels. After 25 years, some of these trees can be used for sawn timber. But typically, the bulk of sawn timber is produced when the plantation is clear-cut after 40 years. After which, the land is ready for the process to start all over again. In a sustainably managed forest, more trees are replanted than are cut down. Commercially managed woodland locks up even more CO2 than wild forests and woodland, up to a third more. Felling trees and using the timber in a sustainably managed way is good for the environment. Build a house with wood and it locks up carbon safely. We already have too much carbon in the atmosphere. It's causing global warming. So banking it this way is a good idea. A typical 3-bedroom house, using wood products where possible, can bank 19 tonnes of carbon dioxide in the building frame, windows and doors. This is 1 tonne of carbon dioxide gas. The houses in a typical estate can bank a lot of carbon. Imagine how much carbon we could bank if every new house in the UK was built with wood. Let's build with carbon.